VP Black. And of course, Pretty for sharing. I see it also. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Queen Selection, nag-love shoutout si Silab. Likely summary, making salute with Jenkins. Much love always dear. I have to go first sa... Yeah, salute, Sisi. Thank you so much. But I have to go to the private room because, you know, I have to go talaga. Oo, I have to go muna. Yeah. I have to go talaga here. Here. I'm gonna go here talaga, dear. Here. So, please talk to each other there. And maybe my King Pogi is there pa. So, I need to go. Maybe my Langga will talk to you there. If he's there. If he's there in my chat, making Pogi will talk to you guys. But maybe he will go for a driving. I don't know pa. But I have to go sa private room ba. That is Dr. It's okay lang. Much love always. Oh, there's a lot of people na coming. So I have to go talk po. Sweetie, thank you so much. Queen. Yeah, thank you. Hola, Josh. Huh? Jose Debola, nagala shout out. Salute. Thank you so much for all your support. Yeah. I have to go first sa private room talaga. Thank you, Lively Summary. Jen, thank you so much. Midnight Jen pala. Jen AR. Thank you, sis. Queen Selection, thank you, Sisi Love. Pretty, please talk to our chats there, guys. I have to go sa private room, guys. Like, 10 minutes. It's mahaba. Ano ba? 10 minutes? 10 minutes, guys. Maybe King will talk to you there. If he's there, guys. Thank you. Wait, I have to put you here in my phone. Yeah, I'm gonna mute my phone, guys. I'm gonna mute. I will mute it, guys. I hope you're there pa when I'll come back. Came back.